Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can download iCloud photos to iPhone. So go to Safari and search iCloud.com, and from here go to your photos and then pick a photo that you want to download. And on the bottom right corner you can see the three dot option. Tap on that, and from here tap download, and now you can see on the bottom left corner the download button. Tap on this and go to your downloads, tap the image, and now on the bottom left corner you can see the share button. Tap on this, and from here tap save image. Now go back to your photos. Yeah, this is how you can download iCloud photos to your iPhone. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.